yet again, the UAE don't ban Nigerians from traveling into their country again. This one na breaking news as of 24th of December 2021. My people, shey the case between UAE and Nigeria never resolve? Na wetin we wan talk about for this podcast. As e dey hot, na I bring am to una. As e dey hot, na so I dey pour am. Now, the major matter wey happen right now be say no be Nigeria alone. UAE ban travelers make e come inside. E ban other African countries, and the reason wey dem give this time na COVID-19 concerns, especially the Omicron variant, wey e don dey spread like wildfire across the length and breadth of the world. Now, wetin really happen concerning this matter be say even their own a lot of newspaper don carry am. Alarabia.net talk say United Arab Emirates don ban entry to travelers from Kenya, Tanzania, Ethiopia and Nigeria due to concerns related to the spread of the Omicron COVID-19 variant. The National Emergency, Crisis and Disaster Emergency Management and Authority and the General Aviation Authority for their country don announce say dem suspend all inbound flights from national and international carriers to transit passengers from the 4 countries from Saturday, December 25, 7:30 a.m. The state news agency reported on Thursday. Dem talk say dis include suspending the entry of travelers wey dey any of the 4 countries 14 days before they come into United Arab Emirates, while flight operation go still continue to transport passengers from UAE to the same countries. Dem talk say dis one no concern UAE nationals, their first-degree relatives, diplomatic missions, official delegates between UAE and the countries, and golden resident holders. They exclude them from this particular ban. Dem talk say dis excluded category must ensure say dem get negative COVID-19 test obtained within 48 hours of departure and a rapid PCR test at the airport within 6 hours of departure whenever possible, and also another PCR test dem go do when they reach airports in UAE. Now, they talk again say a 10-day quarantine and PCR test dem must do on the 9th day wey dem enter the country, and is required for all the nationals wey dem talk, the first-degree relative, the diplomatic missions and golden resident holders. Now, they also confirm say e important people wey dey come from those 4 countries wey we name, wey be Nigeria, Tanzania, Ethiopia and Kenya, say they go need to stay in other countries for at least 14 days before they go allow them make dem enter United Arab Emirates. UAE nationals are barred from traveling to the 4 African countries except for country emergency treatment cases, official delegation and scholarship. In addition, they even don join Ghana and Uganda, so a new travel regimen don enter for those countries too. They talk say the new travel requirement for Ghana and Nigeria be say they go need to have a negative COVID-19 test obtained within 48 hours and a rapid PCR test at the airport within 6 hours of the departure. Now people, now wetin really happen for this case be that, of a truth, this Omicron variant don dey spread like wildfire across the length and breadth of the countries, and so many newspapers from all these countries don show say even the different countries also dey get rising cases of the COVID-19 Omicron variant. But does it mean say UAE sef no get cases? Now, e important make we know say even UAE sef dey tackle dis high rising cases of dis Omicron COVID-19 variant. For dis particular journal wey be Al Arabiya English, dem talk say for December 23rd, dem talk say UAE COVID-19 daily cases don rise by 50 people. E don soar past the 1,000 mark. Dem talk say e soar on Thursday, which represent 50% increase from the daily previous day's figures. The Ministry of Health and Prevention talk say total of 1,002 new COVID-19 cases were detected over the previous 24 hours, up from 665 cases wey dem record on Wednesday, 452 for Tuesday and 301 for Monday. Now, the announcement come show say of a truth, a further 339 people don recover from the COVID-19 cause, but no further COVID-19 related cases dey. Dem talk say a total of 2,154 cases don die of the virus from UAE since the start of the pandemic. Now, dem talk say though the cases dey rise, but the ICU bed wey dey the country dey vacant, and say COVID-19 bed occupancy is less than 3% amidst of this particular strike. In fact, dem talk say even in light of the surge of the infectious cases in the country, He said we stress the importance of health and medical situations in hospitals, and this situation is very stable. They talk that they monitor the variants and they adopt various methods or appropriate plans to address the various issues that are prevailing, and then to ensure they harness all available resources. Now, wetin dem talk concerning this matter for Al Arabiya newspaper be that say UAE sef don dey get high cases, but they dey try to dey manage am. I think maybe that is why they decided that people from areas that they get high cases of this COVID-19, say make dem no come their country, so that at least they go fit manage the one wey dey down. Now, wetin really happen be that, of course, this one na really bad news for people wey still dey think say they wan consider maybe from Nigeria, Kenya, Ethiopia and Tanzania, say they still wan come to United Arab Emirates to celebrate Christmas or even New Year. Now, of a truth, this particular matter of this Omicron variant, no be only African country dey affect, no be only Arab country dey affect. In fact, e dey affect everybody all around the world. E important say make we continue to stay safe. All the protocols and guidelines wey dem give us from WHO, say make we take the ensure say we use our face mask, when we should ensure say if we dey sick, make we stay for house, make we ensure say we should wash our hand regularly, keep our environment safe, and make we ensure say anytime we notice any form of sickness, make we try to quickly report for COVID-19 test and improve our immunity wella by taking a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables. This COVID-19, e don dey since early 2020, and this year wey we wan enter comot for 2021 to 2022, we dey hope say this one go end the whole of this COVID-19 variant, and life go return to normal. But unfortunately, as at the last month to 2 months ago, we don dey hear again say another one dey Omicron, say this one in variant even surpass the ones wey we don dey get before, wey be Delta and Alpha or whatever name wey dey call am. So my people, e important make we educate ourselves, no be to make us fear, but to make us know say this thing still dey around and e still dey affect a lot of people. Make we ensure say we obey our protocols, the safety protocols wey dem give us at this time of holiday. Abeg, ensure say you no dey around people wey too much crowd, because na that way this COVID-19 go take spread across. If you need to do any gathering, 5-10 people, e dey okay, and try to give yourself social distancing. Make we dey safe, make we dey alive, make we dey well, so that things go get better. My people, na wetin I get for una as e dey hot matter be that. This one na breaking news, and as e come, na here I give una. Please ensure say you dey safe, ensure say you dey good, put a smile on somebody's face, and ensure say we see you tomorrow for the newspaper headlines as e dey hot channel. From me, as e dey hot, we say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.